Fantastic, fantastic, super excited, guys. How are you doing? You're welcome to Financial Trading Culture Series, an episode that is here to help you know how to multiply leverage in the Forex market, the cryptocurrency market, and also in the stocks market. Right now, today, I'm really pumped up. We had an amazing trade today. I needed to just share with you because, guys, the more you see, the more it gets better for you. And the joy is that you can practice, you can study, you can check out the point, and you're good to go. Really, really excited, guys, about this week. So let's get to work. What happened in Euro USD? And guys, if this is your first time visiting, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell so that when the next video is uploaded, you will not miss out of it. Guys, I'm about to share with you this amazing trade that we picked today that a lot of people do cash out from. And make sure you wait till the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing opportunity for you to get on the ITC mentorship program. It's a discount that we don't give, and it's going to be open up for just 10 people to celebrate the Easter with them. Just 10 people, guys. Wait till the end as we're going to be announcing this at the end of this training. So what are we looking out for? What did we see in the community? Now, if you look at my screen, and this is monthly, you will agree with me that the market had an impulse move this way. This is an impulse move. Now, when it gave us this impulse move, we had a break of what? A change of trend. So that means that the market has the capacity to come back to this floor. And you can see that there was a reversal when the market broke this trend line and it started building up sell. It started building up sell. It started building up sell. It came back into this flip zone. It dropped again. It went up again. And right now, this is where we are. So a lot of people's view, some people are already saying that the market should reverse from this place. Now, it has the capacity though, okay? But what we do in ITC is that we have our checklist and we only trade with the checklist. And when the checklist is done, we move our money in. Either we win, either we lose. We just discover that we win more than we lose. And that's the exciting thing here. And that is how we rock and roll. I've explained to you that over and over again. So when you look at this chart, we are expecting Euro USD to drop deep, really deep into this zone before we're going to be looking for a major buy. Any other buy that we pick before this zone is just a short-term trade. And when we go to the recent chart right here, we'll see that the market is being controlled by the rally-based drop, which is the monthly zone here. So we're expecting the market to drop. However, there is a challenge here. And this challenge has been reacted, add a reaction here. And this reaction means that this zone is no more fresh. Okay, this was the fresh zone, and this is non-fresh zone. So when the market bounces here, it has the capacity to give us confirmation for a buy, or it breaks this zone. But there is a 70% to 80% chances that it's going to break this zone, okay? Because it is coming from monthly zone and the monthly has an approval here. So right here, this gave us the go ahead to keep looking for a sell. We keep looking for a sell. Yeah, good. Once that is established, we want to daily, and on daily, we're able to look for our continuation pattern, trend continuation move, which is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the market came back into this zone and it dropped. Now, when that happened again, it created more move, and right now we have another one, another lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So right now we have lower low, lower high, and a low. So we expect the market, as it has broken this zone, to push down to this nearest demand, which is not a fresh zone. So in this place, we're able to get this rally base drop. So let me zoom that out properly so you guys can see it. Since the monthly is already calling sell, we don't do against the order flow. So we have a rally-based drop here. Then from there, we went to 4 hours this morning. And on 4 hours, what happened? We're able to identify this rally-based drop, and that moved the movement down. Then we also have a break of structure here. So this was the 4-hour zone that was selected this morning, guys. And because he has an approval of this break of structure, this place becomes a suspect. Then from there, we went as far as 15 minutes. And on 15 minutes, we are able to see that the market has been creating higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And on this basis, the market gave us a full impulse. Now, when it gave us that impulse, we also know which confirms that the market is ready for a sell. This actually happened before the market, the London session opened. So that gave us this entry for us to what? To sell. And we had a break of structure here. We had a change, a stop loss on at that zone. So with that, we're able to catch this move for a 8 pip stop loss, and it was posted in the community today. So this is it. It's meant to be a 6 pip stop loss, but you always want to add 1 to 2 pips extra so that you don't get stocked out. So it was the 8 pip stop loss trade. Good. This was exactly what I sent to the group. And earlier today, we were able to drop that in the group today. And immediately, the market got into that place. You can see 1.74, stop loss 254. So when we got that move, you can see 174.25. That was exactly where the market got at. And I'll always tell you, you always want to use your risk reward as your take profit. So we do 1 to 5. You can also do any one you want. That's our first take profit. And once we are done with first take profit, individual has their own, as the case may be. And this guy broke TP2, which is 1 to 10, and it dropped as far as 1 to 20. Okay, so when this trade gave us 1 to 20, a lot of people, when I dropped on the group, how many people are on EU sell? Everybody dropped that they are on it. I'm really excited about that, and that's a lot of money. So what that means here is that if you have risked $1, guys, you would have made $20. So let's say that you have traded Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which we don't even trade. We have the days that we trade in the community. Okay. Let's even say you've traded this week and you have taken 4 trades. And let's say the first trade, stop loss, second trade, stop loss, third trade, stop loss. That is 3% of your account, or 6% if you are using 2%. Now, if you use 2% here, this trade would have given you 40%. Okay, so that means that by the time you're done, if it is 3% that 1% that you risk, this is 20%. So you have 17% growth this week. If you have used 2%, that is 40%, then you would have held back onto you 2%, that's 6, that's 20, that's 6. Okay, yes, that is 34%. 34%, that's massive, guys. So this is how we kill it, and we're able to flip our account in the community. So take your time. Number one, we're able to obey the rules of engagement, which is that monthly order flow is telling us to sell. So don't go against the money or the monthly order flow. The Euro JPY I gave you guys in the Telegram group is a trade that monthly demand is calling for a buy. Okay, sorry, monthly is calling buy. So we went to one daily and we called the move, and they gave us a good whoopee over 1 to 25 risk reward. And I'm still holding that trade. I'm still holding that trade. We're still holding it in the community. Okay, now we've added Euro USD right now. This has given us 1 to 20, and it's still at the capacity. Now let me blow your mind. Okay, let me blow your mind. On an average, we'll be expecting this guy to deliver to this place. That is 1 to 30. Now, and I'm not going to be exiting because I know the order flow, guys. I know the order flow. So the order flow says that this guy has the capacity to drop to this end, which is the reversal zone where we are all going to be selling. Buying, sorry. So right now we can hold this trade till we get there. Why? Because we've taken 1 to 10 take profit out of the market, and we can hold forth on the other trade, and we are good to go. So this is what I have for you guys today. I want you to always walk through your process, check it over and over again, and you're permitted to have a losing trade. Don't just have a losing week or a losing account. Don't just have a losing account. Don't lose the account. You're permitted to have to lose a trade. Okay. So having said that, tonight for the Easter break, we're giving 10 people access to join the community, and I'm really, really excited about that. Really, really excited, and this will help just 10 people. Okay, and all you need to do is, number one, make sure that you're on the Discord, on the Telegram group. Okay, make sure you're on our Telegram group. Our Telegram group is here. Make sure you are there. Okay, make sure you're in the Telegram group. We're going to be giving just 10 people access to this. Make sure you're there. Good. Number one, make sure you're there. Number two, make sure you are available when the link is sent. What are we giving out? We have mentorship. We have 6-month mentorship. We have 3-month mentorship, and we have 1-month mentorship. Okay. For a lot of you, you know that our 1-month mentorship goes for $500. You're going to be having 8 private sessions. You're going to be having access to our weekly outlook and our trade setups. Good. You're going to be having access also, for those who are coming in on 3 months, you have access to about 15 private sessions. Okay. And in your private session, you also have access to our course. Everybody is going to have access to our course. Everybody will have access to our trade ideas. Everybody also have access to our weekly 2 times weekly mentorship. So let me see the devil that will not make you make money right here. Then for those who are extremely busy, we recommend the 6-month plan. Okay. And the 6-month plan, you also have access to private mentorship. You have access to our trade ideas. You have access to our trade ideas. You have access to our weekly, twice a week outlook training, which will break down the process, and you're good to go. Now, this goes for 50% of the price. The 6-month plan is $2,000 for 6 months. The 3-month plan, which is the common one a lot of people go for, is $1,000, and the 1-month plan is what? The 1-month plan, sorry, is $500, which is always what is on the group. But guys, for this Easter break, the link will be dropped on the group. Make sure you are ready for it. We're giving you a 50% discount, okay, for you to come on board. What does that take you? It means that if you're coming in on 1-month mentorship, okay, you get it for $250. We don't do this at all, guys. You know, we don't do this all the time. We do this special time, okay? And when we even do this, we don't give as much as 50%, okay? So for the 3 month, you can come in on $500 for 3 good months. Mentorship, this is not community, this is mentorship, okay? Then the 6 months, you get it for $1,000. US dollars. And don't forget, it's just for 10 people. Okay. And this will start Friday, Good Friday, 12 a.m. and it will end Monday, 12 midnight. Okay. And once the 10 slots are gone, definitely is gone. So anyone your permit you want to go for, you want to give yourself this Easter treat, okay, and be in the ITC group, enjoy the experience, and you're good to go. Okay. Now the last announcement that I have for you guys today, don't worry, the link of the Telegram group is in this video. Make sure you join the group so that when the link is done and you see it, you can make your payment immediately. So the second announcement I have for you guys is that we've noticed that somebody is using a robot, okay, to reply our messages. And whenever videos are getting attraction, that is when they do that. Okay, please do not chat up anyone, okay, especially that is not my account. What the person does is that they use my picture. Let me show you an example. Can I get one right now? Let me see if I can get an example. Please don't even reply anybody. Okay, we will always call our numbers, or you hit us up via email. Okay, please don't fall victim of anybody. Please don't fall victim. Please don't fall victim. Don't fall victim for any reason. You can see, don't fall victim. My team have started attending to them. You can see, WhatsApp me. Why would you tell me? I'm not the one, guys, please. +123, I'm not the person. Please, this is my account. This is my own account here. Please be careful. Don't chat up with anyone. Please and please. Okay. That'll be all for tonight. I look forward to your success. We will have you guys in the trading room. Okay. Have a pleasant Easter break. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers.